Hello friends, welcome to Queen Bee Paradise. Wishing you all a very happy new year 2018. A big thanks to each one of my subscribers and viewers for all the support and encouragement so far. Looking forward to stay connected with you all. In today's video, I'm happy to share with you my most precious creation ever. I've casted my two little kids' hand and feet and made a home decor out of it. I've used things which are easily available at home. The process is very simple that anyone can do it, and the outcome is priceless and will definitely make you proud. Before getting started, I request you to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Please follow me on social media for more updates. First, let us prepare a homemade play dough which will be the base mold for our casting. In a mixing bowl, I am adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, 1 cup of salt, it's a normal cooking salt, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, you can use any cooking oil, and 1 cup of water. Mix it thoroughly and knead it well using hand. The dough will be very soft and non-sticky like this. If you add some food color to this dough, your kids can enjoy playing with non-toxic play dough. But today we are going to use this for casting those tiny hands and feet. I've spread a polythene sheet and on top of it I've put 2 thick layers of dough. On this I'm making feet impressions of my son. He is 18 months old. I've applied a little baby oil to his feet before making the impression. Now, my daughter's handprint is also taken. She is 7 years old. My son is pulling his sister to play with him. Now let us see how to make the plaster mix for the casting. I am mixing half cup of water, half cup of white glue or Fevicol, and adding 1 cup of plaster of Paris to this glue mixture. I already had plaster of Paris at home, but you can find them easily in hardware stores and it costs only less than 50 rupees per kg. Mix it well using a spoon. Now I am pouring the mixture into the impression carefully using a spoon. After finishing, I am just shaking the plastic sheet gently in order to break any air bubbles inside the mixture. Now let it dry for good 4 to 5 hours. You can see the top layer has become dry and hard. At this stage, apply a thick layer of Fevicol on the top. This step is very important as the Fevicol layer will hold the entire piece of cast together and doesn't allow it to break. Now let it dry in the sun for an entire day. Next day, gently flip the cart upside down and start removing the dough slowly. You would see those cute little feet emerging out. Aren't they looking cute? Slowly remove all the extra dough using a toothbrush. If there are any extra plaster forming uneven edges, that can be easily removed using a knife. Now our super cute little hand and feet are ready. Handle it with utmost care as it is brittle. It can break if dropped down. I am painting the cast using acrylic paint. I felt emotional to look at these tiny hands and feet. I feel time is running too fast. I realized the most hardest part of motherhood is when your kids grow up and become independent. To protect these precious little things, I converted a normal photo frame into a shadow box. I've put things together with a nice quote about siblings on top of it. This can be put on the wall as a display. It makes a beautiful home decor. Drop me a comment if you are interested to know how I made this shadow box out of a normal photo frame. I can make a video on the same. Hope you liked the video. If yes, please give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.